I'm using a Vim cleaner. Actually works quite well. You can use that or Comet. The bottom of the boat's fiberglass. You can see it's got a few barnacles on there. You pretty much have to scrape them off. It's nice to get her all cleaned up though before you put it away. You don't want this sitting on it. I actually should have cleaned her off yesterday before, but I ended up taking off. I have a 15 horsepower Merc 4-stroke, and I winterized that, so I wanted to get that done before the boat. Tender's all put away. There's a couple straps secured to the side of the barn, and one rope on the front, tilted on an angle in case there's any moisture in it. It can leak out the back. The reason I put away, a couple snap-on ratchet straps, and it's tied up at the front there. I tilted on an angle, that way if there's any water in it, it will drain out. And the reason I have the generator out today is I have a 1,200 pound winch inside my barn, and there's no power in there, so I winch up the tender, and that's what powers it. It's a power 3800 watt 4-stroke generator. Works great. I've had it for about 2 years. Usually start tucked away for the winter time. And nice thing with the new 4-day tractor I have is I can leave the mower deck on this tractor, and when I put it away I can just close the barn door, and I'll see